Hello, and welcome to Crazy Calm TV. In today's video, you're going to learn how to buy our CBD coffee using cryptocurrency. It's worth noting that we only ship to the United States, but we hope to expand soon. You may wonder, why would I want to order with cryptocurrency in the first place? Well, the number one reason for most of us is that there is a 10% discount when you order on our website. We explain more at crazycalm.co/crypto if you'd like to learn why we do that. But in any event, you don't need a reason, do you, to save 10%. So let's go and purchase some coffee using Bitcoin Cash. I go to crazycalm.co, click Order Now. Then the usual e-commerce stuff, you'll add to cart and click Proceed to Checkout. Now we fill in our details. Now this is pretty interesting. I made a mistake here. It's actually Mickey Mouse on the email. Why did I choose Mickey Mouse? People don't know. When you pay with cryptocurrency, you don't have to match a billing address. All payments go through. Sending cryptocurrency, it doesn't matter who you are or where you're from, which is one of the coolest things about it. We'll also create an account for Mr. Mouse, and we'll choose our payment method. It's pre-populated to credit card, but I'm going to select Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, the cryptocurrency payment options. 10% discount has been applied. Agree to the terms and conditions, and proceed to Coinbase. Now, I'm going to use my mobile wallet and pay with Bitcoin Cash, but you can pay with any of those 4 cryptocurrencies listed there. If you use your web browser to pay, you're going to have to copy and paste the address and the amount. With a phone, you can scan a QR code and it does that for you, which I prefer. So we're going to do it with the mobile phone method. Again, this is my desktop, or my laptop, I should say, and I'll click Pay with Bitcoin Cash. Click Show QR Code. And this is what I'm going to scan with my phone right now. So, okay, camera, I've scanned it. All right. Click Pay and sending the transaction. Payment has been sent. Instantly like that, the payment's been detected. Note, it may take up an hour for you to order confirmation email. As soon as you see payment detected, you can safely close this window. That's it. You've just bought CBD coffee using cryptocurrency. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much.